In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a door with a glass windows. First of all, you have to make a basic frame with a line in this tool. You can see the video, and then you can position it on origin. Then you can set the height of the door. It's around 2500 millimeter, or as tall as you want anyway. And then you can set the width of the window and the door. Maybe it's around 1800 millimeter, so you can position it to the bottom to complete the three side of the line, and then you can offset the triple line inside with a offset tool, and you can offset this edge around 60 millimeter, right? And then you can complete the basic pattern of the frame, and then you can delete unnecessary object, and then you can push to the back around 120 millimeter, and so you can make it group anyway. And after that, you can make additional window frame. You can make additional window frame with this line, and then you can select this endpoint of the group, and then you can type 500 millimeter for the window width, and then you can double click this line and you can offset it inside around 60 millimeter. Then you can select the line and just complete the line anyway, and then you can push it to the back, then you can make it group. And after that, you can make a glass window in this area. Just position on it, and then you can push it to the front with standard thickness of the glass, and then you can assign a material with the glass. You can set the opacity and the color of the window anyway, maybe something like this. Okay, and after that you can make a door leaf with a rectangle in this position. You can see but the rectangle base, something like this. Then you can push it to the front around 40 millimeter. Okay, and then you can adjust, you can design your glass window in this door by select the tape measure tool to guiding you for the window door design, and then you can select a rectangle. You can select a rectangle in any area of whatever you want, and then you can select this rectangle only. Then you can press move and then press control, then you can position on it and just type you can repeat the step again, and then you can position on it, and you can type 2/ press enter, so it will be arranged triple row of a rectangle, and then you can move it to the appropriate position. You can constrain to the middle point of the door anyway. Okay, and then you can duplicate this rectangle, and then you can move to the right side and on any position. Maybe you can set this position, and then you can adjust the position, something like this. You can adjust it, and after that you can push it back with a push tool, and then you can repeat for more hole in your door anyway. Then you can make it group, and after that you can make a rectangle to make a door handle in this area maybe, and then you can push it to the front. You can push it to the front with any thickness, and then you can select this side position, and then you can offset it from the edge, and then you can push it back, and then you can repeat the same way on the left side also with this any thickness, and you can push it back anyway. Then you can move make it group, and you can make a look case. Just a simple request look case. If you wanna make a detail, it's better than this. It's just simple look case. I suggest you to make it more detail by your preference or by your detail design anyway. Okay, and after that you can make material of the door leaf and the window and the frame, and you can select metal for you can select a metal for door handle and the lock case, and you can flip. You can push it back until it got only 20 millimeter of the width, and then you can make it component created. Just move. Okay, and then you can make a rectangle. You can make a rectangle to be a glass object. And then you can use scale to adjust the glass object and just set the width of the glass. Just make it group, and you can assign same glass material of this, and you can make it group by, with a door handle. And okay, so I think it's too tall anyway, then you have to move it to a little bit down position anyway. Then you can move it on a green axis, then you have to flip along it. Okay, you have to flip it along by green. Okay, then you can position the door handle and locus on appropriate position. Just make it group, and you can move. So make it group, you can move on the you have to make it the glass group also, then you can move on this. Okay, this is a door with a window glass. Thanks for watching. I hope you got a lot of advantage and benefit by this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.